You're probably familiar with the verse in 1 Corinthians 13 that speaks about three things: faith, hope, and love. But have you ever wondered about where else these same terms appear in a single verse and how they are related? In this video, I'll show you how to use the AND operator to search for these occurrences of multiple terms. Running a Bible search for faith in the NIV shows 259 results. To search for verses containing both faith and hope, add "and hope" to the search string. To constrain it even further, add in the term love. Note that you don't actually need the operator AND. It is the default operator when multiple terms are present. Alternatively, instead of entering the terms and operators manually, you can use search templates. Open the sidebar and select all of the terms. Enter faith as the first term, hope as the second, and love as the third term, and click the search button. Note that this only finds matches where all the search terms in a Bible search are in the same verse. If you use a basic search, which is normally used to search resources other than Bibles, then terms are matched if they appear in the same article. Select the Lexham Bible Dictionary as the resource to search in, and, once again, search for occurrences of all three terms. This finds all articles where all three terms are present. Click one to see the article with search terms highlighted. As you can see, the terms are not all close together, but they are all in the same article and so match. So the AND operator is the ideal way of finding multiple search terms within a range of text, such as a verse in a Bible or an article in a study resource. And there are a range of training videos that explore different search operators. Please have a look at them to enhance your search capability within Logos.